Series 3 mini brand. Let's see what we get. Mentos. Oh, Hershey strawberry. We got a Flavor Ice. We got a Kool-Aid Jammers. Love that one. And last one. Oh, we got a Bubble Yum. Love it. Thanks for watching.